Hi, welcome. It's a pleasure to welcome you again in this lovely urbanization, which is Vista Real. We are located, as you already know, in the north of Nueva Andalucía. And today we're going to introduce you to this lovely new property we have, which is 2-bedroom with a master bedroom that has their own terrace and 2 bathrooms. So the property is oriented south-southwest. So we will have a lot of light during the whole day, and you will have a beautiful view first on the little pantano Viejo del Ángel that you have just in front of the urbanization, and also on this beautiful Costa del Sol. From the terrace, it will be perfect to enjoy this lovely weather that we have here and those beautiful sunsets that are very characteristic of Costa del Sol. Of course, as you can see here, you have a lovely, very big community swimming pool, and you will have also your private parking space. As you already know, from here you have all the golf course around, and you will be a couple of minutes driving from Puerto Banús, 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes from Marbella, and you will have all the mountains like Concha and so on just behind. So you have everything just nearby. So come with us and let us introduce you to this beautiful property we have in Vista Real. So, what did you think about this amazing property we have here? But look at these wonderful views and look at the light we have here. I'm sure this property is going to be perfect for you if you want to experience golf here in Andalucia, in Costa del Sol, or if you want to have a great and relaxing time with your friends and family next to the beach, next to the mountains, Puerto Banús, Marbella. You have everything within a couple of minutes driving. So, what are you wearing? Feel free to reach us, and I'm sure we will find a little spot for you for your next holiday. Okay, see you soon.